Why does Instagram keep crashing? It can be frustrating to see that error when you're about to post that perfect picture or when you're getting caught up in the latest reel trend, only for the app to abruptly shut down. This issue can occur on all platforms, from Android to iOS to Windows PC. But don't worry. This guide will help you diagnose the cause of those pesky crashes and get you back to your entertainment in no time. Identifying the culprit through troubleshooting. When Instagram crashes, it's vital to understand the symptoms you're experiencing, as multiple factors could be at play. Here are some different crashing methods that can indicate various issues. Immediate crash on opening. If the app crashes right after you click to open it, this could indicate an outdated app or phone software, incompatible third-party apps, or corrupted data. Crash during specific actions. If the crashing happens only when you're uploading, commenting, or using certain features, the issue might be linked directly to those functions. Widespread outage. It's always a good idea to check online platforms and other social media apps to see if other users are experiencing similar crashes. How to fix it. Once you've identified the potential cause, you're halfway to solving the problem. Here are some tips to help you rectify the issue. Update the app. Often, the root of the problem lies in an outdated app version. Force stop the app. If Instagram isn't working properly, you can try to force stop it. Clear the app cache and data. Clearing the cache and data can help in removing any temporary files that might be causing issues, but be warned, this action will log you out of the app. Restart your phone. If force stopping didn't do the trick and the cache is clear, try restarting your device. This simple action can often eliminate temporary glitches that cause apps to misbehave. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If you've tried everything and are still facing issues, uninstalling and then reinstalling Instagram might do the trick. Disable third-party apps. Many users rely on third-party apps for Instagram, but these can sometimes disrupt the regular working of the app itself. Chat with support. If none of the above steps seem to help, it's time to call in reinforcements. Contact Instagram's support team and report your technical issue for personalized assistance. Conclusion. Dealing with app crashes can be frustrating, but patience is key. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can effectively diagnose and address the problems causing Instagram to crash. Get back to enjoying your Instagram experience by applying these tips today. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.